right, guys, say hello to your new lantern. What do you think?
Oh, I love it.
Beautiful.
It's way cool.
Perfect.
It's built out of copper, custom built in New Orleans. They actually call this the French Quarter design. And it surprised me that this is what they recommended for here in St. Louis, a New Orleans style.
Well, you know, Richard, St. Louis and New Orleans have a lot of history together. Of course, we have the Mississippi River, the history with the steamship, a lot of shipping back and forth.
Right.
So we have a lot of similar architecture here.
Once that steamship came, you could actually go upriver.
That's
couldn't you?
right.
And I do notice the fleur-de-lis here.
Exactly.
Yeah,
a lot
that's
of
from
historical
New
ties.
All right, so the unit itself has a visible flame inside. There's a shut-off right here. You can see there's a gas line that we have to run. At the bottom, there's this beautiful gooseneck bracket. That'll stand beautiful off the building. I'm assuming we're going to go right here on the right-hand side. We'll figure out the height somewhere here. But now we got to get that gas line back through this brick, down hopefully behind this panel, and then down in the basement. The gas line is way over there. So that requires a licensed gas fitter. I am one in Massachusetts, but not here. So we're going to actually get the help from the local gas utility to give us a hand.
Awesome, we're ready.
Perfect.
First, Dominic removes a small part of the panel to give us access to the line. Then, Kent drills a hole through the masonry. He and Dennis fish the 1/4-inch copper line through the hole, down the wall to the floor, and into the basement. Now they can connect and mount the gas lantern. They want to do this before making the final gas connections, so they have plenty of slack on the line to connect it. Finally, John makes the final gas connections and turns the gas back on. All right, you guys, just in time. Gas is back on. I've actually purged all the air out, and I can smell a little gas. So it's time for the honors. Who's going to do it?
I got it.
Okay. All right. I'll turn it on.
Here we go.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so that is like a decorative pilot flame. It'll be on all the time. Doesn't use much gas. It looks great now. It's going to look even better at night.
We can't wait.
All right, well, enjoy.
Thanks, Richard.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming to St. Louis.
Glad to be here. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you'd like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.